welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa, model coach, and the creator of Model to Modelpreneur. In this video, I'm going to be trying out Naomi Campbell iconic poses. Go ahead and go along with the poses as well and practice with me, because this is how I practice as well. I practice my poses by trying out other people's poses. Hi modelpreneurs, my name is Vanessa, model coach, and the creator of Model to Modelpreneur. So for the best modeling tips and planning tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel, click that bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. So the first pose is a pretty simple pose. I'm going to include it right here so that you guys can see. It's very simple, but let's try to do it. So I'm looking at it a little bit. Try to hip this arm full out. Okay, I gotta be serious because I just be thinking, I don't take shit seriously. She looks like her arm is not like this. My arm is like this. You gotta bring that, but her arm is also stretched at the same time. And relax. I'm also relaxing my fingers. And you gotta give face. We got the first pose down. Naomi, I'm coming for you, babe. I'm coming for you. I like this pose of Naomi. I really like this pose. So, she's smiling, hands on the face, and a little squat. We can do that. Okay. Both hands, like this. She smiles. You know when I close my eyes when I'm shooting, you guys, I always notice that I lose balance. Her legs are like this, but not fully like this, like this. Her legs are like this. And her arm, I'm forgetting her arm is like this. Oh my gosh. And if I had to add my own little poses to it, quand il te dit que ça c'est vraiment le workout, ça c'est le workout de workout, ça c'est le workout. So for this pose, I really like the camera angle that the photographer took this picture. Like she's tall, but like damn, she looks really tall in this picture. Obviously, leg is out, other leg is out. You put this thigh, you put your weight on this, on your right leg. The other leg, your left leg is stretched out. Okay, she's basically just holding her hat. So you guys, I definitely went ahead and butchered this whole pose because the angle that she's at and also the way that the photographer took the picture is not giving. And I'm looking the completely opposite way, but that's okay. That's why it's important to practice. So I saved the best for last. Mama Naomi, my auntie Naomi is just slaying all these photo shoots. She's just slaying all these photo shoots. Let me also slay. I will slay this one. I will slay this one. In this picture, she's wearing flats, and I really like how one of her legs is like she's wearing heels. It's like on her tippies, but I'm wearing heels, so we're gonna do with heels. We crisscross. We bend. We move this back. The body, the booty's out. Arms low, and the head. Squeezing your stomach and pose.
That's cool on the beat.
And if I want to finesse this, just lightly.
That's cool on the beat.
This is the end of this video. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know which one was your favorite pose. Let me know if you also want to see more videos like this. I really appreciate you guys. If you guys need more help, you really want more help from me, you want to work with me, the ebook, the link is down below, or it's going to be on the screen here or here. Go ahead and grab it. You can get started right now. Make sure to click the link and grab this ebook. Other than that, I'm so proud of you guys so far for even being in this video right now, to want to learn, being on my channel, to want to learn about becoming a better model. I really appreciate you and I'm really proud of you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so that you're notified when I post my next video. Bye!